Hi friends, what's up? I hope you better understand and I am fine and you and make me video today how to mining site and profit today. Okay, daily today profit and mining site. Please take care for watching my video and take care this video and free mining site and earn money online. Okay, some allows to online earn money free making free making money. Please take care of my full video. Okay, so let's start this video and take please check to the description box or search h2 hash.com h2hash.com and enter now and this mining site. Okay, so free per day profit and daily earning free per day profit and daily earning to mining site. Okay, the back of Friday exclusive sale contest discount exchanger site and Bitcoin, BTC, BNB, TNC transfer exchange and make money online and marketing online. Okay, so let's start this site about. Okay, is hashes efficiency meaning. Okay, hashes efficiency meaning login or get start about this site first and complete this video. Okay, please take care and follow watching this video. Okay, let's start. First of all, login or get start. You already account created, you get login and you if you a new user to get start. Okay, okay, and second step, please scroll down, meaning equipment. We have selected for you the high quality equipment. Okay, get start now. Get start now, sign up, email address and password, create an account. Okay, so about this site and and next next get started. Okay, and scroll down, email address to email address in environmentally friendly hunting crypto meaning email address and get started our benefits. Okay, your benefit security and your site security. Your site security contains all means of working with cryptocurrency to look tech reliable and security and conformity for your clients. Okay, environmental friendliness. Having been a crypto wallet to long time, we managed to provide yourself to most importantly self mining use this. Okay, regular payouts, income stability. Income, your mining income is added to your account daily and automatically. Okay, wow, it's very beautiful. Is very beautiful idea. Your stability, your mining income is added to your account daily and automatically. Okay, start mining Bitcoin online and get your profit now. Email address and get started. Okay, now account get started and you sign up your account, your email and password. My email and password submitted. Please skip this video and right now my email address and password, your email address submit and password and logging this account, create an account. Okay, create an account. Wow, my account created and save my account. Okay, and this buy a package payouts order history refer program. Okay, your your balance automatically added your balance. Okay, stands automatically your balance edit. Okay, automatically edit your balance and daily profit BTC USD profit for from month and total profit Bitcoin 0.000 BTC referral info and anything. Okay, buy package, payouts, orders history, refer program. Click to refer program. Okay, click to refer program. This is your refer link. Okay, share with people and affect theme to get bonus. Okay, it is your refer code to refer code to share your refer and some bonus and discount your refer earning. Okay, total profit 000 BTC, total for month 0, my level 0 and your level and my level 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so payouts 0 BTC and my new account any not income by package by month 6 month package 12 month package. Okay, 30% discount, 30% discount. Okay, beginner 30% discount, $10 to minus $3 and now and now price $7. Okay, basic refer level silver, basic refer level silver, duration a current 6 month, daily profit $0.09. Okay, number of hashes, basic price $80 and 30% discount 5% to 25% to 30% discount $80. Okay, refer silver. Okay, instrumented. Okay, 30% discount for 30% discount 85 to $60. Okay, refer level anything refer level 6 month, refer level silver, duration of current 6 month, daily profit 0.086 dollar. Okay, advanced 30% discount. Wow, advanced 30% discount at $220 to $154. Silver month 6, daily profit. Wow, daily profit 2.50 dollar. Okay, wow, amazing. $2.50 daily profit. And this semi pro. Okay, semi pro 30% discount, $700 to $490. 30% discount. Wow, refer level gold. Okay, refer level gold refer level, refer to come to begin refer gold and 6 month 6 daily profit. Wow, daily profit 6 something dollar. Okay, and professional refer level gold, daily earning $12. Wow, 12 $13 something. Okay, and investor. Wow, refer level platinum. Okay, refer level platinum. Okay, wow, daily profit $25 daily profit. Okay, and investor plus and best and last. Investor plus best and last platinum and 6 month to 5 point. Wow, daily profit $51 something. Wow, it is amazing. Okay, refer level. Okay, my refer level not active, my package not active and anything is 000. 12 month commission. Okay, 12 month last $160 daily profit $160 daily profit $160 investor plus. Okay, and refer level platinum and my duration same to beginner, basic, instruction, advanced, semi pro, professional, investor plus. Okay, so anything is right now refer program and by package overview, order history, my order history is 0 because no any order. okay, 0 days and zero payouts, okay, payouts and cash out and payouts overview and cash out, okay, balance, my balance 0 0, cash out now, overview, cash out now, cash out, cash out to cash out, cash out, enter wallet address, make payouts, enter your wallet address. So friends, cash out, enter your wallet address and enter amount BTC, okay, enter amount BTC, enter your amount BTC and your wallet address to send, okay, your available balance BTC is 0, withdrawal locket is 0, okay, 0 0, your earnings beginner and you cash out now, okay. So friends, let's start it and please take care and bye bye, tata. All of the video, I hope you understand and better understand. So I like this video and subscribe my channel and share my video, okay. So let's end this video. I hope you understand and bye bye, take care, thank you.